Is your HP printer displaying an ink system failure error or refusing to print at all? Whether you're seeing an error message on your printer screen, getting a notification on the computer, or the printer is simply shutting down, an ink system failure on an HP printer is one of the most alarming errors you come across. In this video, I'll guide you through the most reliable and proven troubleshooting steps to fix the ink system failure error in no time. And if you've worked through every fix and your printer is still showing some error, our expert team is ready to help you. You just need to dial in the numbers on the screen. Now, let's get started with the solutions. Before we start this step, we request you to join our YouTube channel and support us. You can be a part of our growing family where millions come together to learn, solve problems, and stay up to date. First, you need to check if your printer ink cartridge are installed correctly and that they have ink. Next, you should take out the ink cartridges and insert them into the place again. After that, your printer should shut down automatically. If not, then press the power button or remove the printer's plug from the socket. Next, turn on your printer and check if the problem is resolved. If you like our content, give us a like, and if you want to learn more, subscribe to our channel. You can also visit Printer Tales or call us on the following contact numbers. If you think we haven't covered your printer yet, you can let us know in the comments section.